snow camping.
Yeah, you get this like one time.
I'm Brian.
I'm Marisa.
We're out here in the Gifford. What do we have? 1,300 feet.
Yes.
We got about 3 inches of snow.
Snow camping.
Wet snow.
Yay.
Yeah, we got a Hawaiian atmospheric river coming in, so it's gonna be like 60 degrees up here in a couple days.
Yeah.
All this will be gone.
Well, probably not all of it, but a lot of it. We got a couple new products to try out.
Yep. I'm gonna get some boots on and
Layer up
because it's that wet, cold snow atmosphere. So let's go. And we did bring actually the pallet that our tent came on. We chopped it all up and stuff, so it's hopefully it's dry enough. Been outside, so. What was that? Did you hear that? Ah! Rude. We did get the howl just to have. It's gonna be so nice for our big road trips.
Yeah. It's compact.
Yeah, very compact, you know. We take up a lot of space in here for our
And we got a
big
new
trip. Yeah.
little guy
We got a little guy that'll fit
in the truck bed.
in the truck bed because it's low. Little 11-pounder. I'm not back in 5 minutes. Just wait longer.
And there he goes.
All right, we did get the new cloud topper. They don't make it for this tent, the Cali King, yet. So
But
we got it for the
We got it. I think it's like the
high country.
high country.
Yeah,
the
old
biggest
school.
high country there is.
Yeah, the old school high country. So
But it fits.
it looks
So-
fucking freaking golden, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's sick.
All right, we're kind of set up.
Yeah, for
And,
them. Well, the main part, anyways.
Yep, but we are going to get into our new contraption that we got, so it's going to be really handy for us in
Yeah.
the Tacoma.
So if you remember a couple of videos ago, we had a camp fail where we forgot to bring like our pop-up or anything because of the rain and all of that. We'll link a little clip.
Atmospheric river coming in, and we're just exposed up here, and so I'm kicking rocks, and it was made me beat up a bush.
You're making me beat up grass.
Aw. We're not prepared for the rain like we thought we were.
Yeah, because rain would be like, here, we need something
Yep.
to cover.
Yep. But Brian had been looking for these different like tents that kind of go on the back of truck beds to protect from like
or
rain and all
SUVs.
that kind of stuff.
Yep.
And so just so happened we had this company reach out to us, Sanhema. They are actually an Australian company, but they have a location in Spokane, I think, where they sell their products out
Yep.
of. So they reached out to us and asked if we would be interested in trying, and it's just so happened to be one of the things that Brian was actually looking at getting. So we are
do it.
going to try it.
Let's do it. All right.
Set up.
Real time, baby.
This
Let's
is
go.
real time. We have not even taken this out of the bag, so no clue what's going to happen. There might be a lot of bloops, or it might be just really simple. So.
I think we are done. Got guidelines both sides here and there. We opted not to put out the awning. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's 8 by 8 by 7.6. Check it out by the tailgate. You got it going. You see this?
Yeah, I tried to do that. It wasn't working.
Tuck it in a little bit. But check it out.
Yeah,
It's pretty freaking awesome.
I think so.
Yeah.
It'll do good for what our intended use for it, which is protecting us from rain, elements, and stuff while we're cooking. And
Yeah. It's on the back of the tailgate.
Yeah.
Yeah. Different from the pop-up, different from the Gazelle. So
Yeah.
it's another thing that we can add for whatever the PNW is throwing at us. So
Yep.
all right, I think we're gonna relax, get a little warm and stuff, go check out the creek and eat and get a beer because it's been a day already. After you chop firewood, then you can drink a beer. All right, I had a pretty sweet freaking TP going, but my clumsy butt tipped it over, so whatever. But check this baby out right here. Can you say Merry Christmas? Yes. Dude. That's how you do it, guys. You guys wanted us to have a fun campfire. Well, here you go. Woo! Our Christmas presents are just freaking
Given.
coming in for the win today.
Yes, they are.
Got our table, we got the flamethrower, heated socks,
The howl, which was a Christmas present.
the
to
howl
ourselves.
that was keeping her warm while I was out here running around and chopping wood. And
We are going to do Philly cheesesteak sandos, a little bit different though, and some crispy potatoes.
oh, okay. Welcome to Marissa's cooking dojo.
Right?
Better sensei. Better sensei.
Okay, there you go.
Yep. Wow.
That's yummy.
Good. Very good, very good. Oh, good morning, guys.
Good morning.
It's cold. It's just that damp, wet cold.
Yep.
But our diesel heater worked great all night, and
And even this morning, we put it inside the little tent thing, and while
Yeah.
I was cooking, and
took it out of the tent, just put it right in the tent.
yeah,
Tent to tent.
tent to tent.
I guess we're off on our next adventure.
Yeah, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, turn on your notifications. We have a video every Friday at 7 a.m. And if you want to tag along with us on daily stuff, we post on Instagram quite a bit, so check us out there. And we're also on TikTok under Brian and Marissa, so yeah.
Yeah. Facebook too.
Oh yeah,
Don't
Facebook.
forget about that.
Sorry.
Too many.
Too many. But
All right.
yeah,
let's
we're
get out of
going to
here.
hit the road for our next adventure, and we'll see you out there.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye. You'll be okay. You'll be okay.
Oh, are we not doing an intro?
This is the intro.
Oh.
I've been recording the whole time.
Oh.
All right, back to our regularly scheduled camping video content.
If you don't have anything better to do than
Just
make
criticize
rude
people.
comments, then you don't deserve to watch it.
Nope. So long, sucker. Just DoorDash it. Victorinos in Longview.
Victorious. It's like the only place we DoorDash from. That or Pietro's.
Right? It's getting sleepy. She's getting sleepy, guys. You hear the youngies. What are we talking about now?
Yeah, we, I don't know.